AOCHUAN AI Module Tutorial. Before using the module, please enable Bluetooth on your phone and connect it to the gimbal. When the Bluetooth icon lights up on the OLED display, the connection is successful. Attach the module to the gimbal's phone clamp. Make sure it is properly slotted into the holder. It can be installed on either side. To switch to landscape shooting, double-press the gimbal shutter button. Slide the module side switch to power it on. The module will automatically connect to the gimbal. At this point, the indicator light will stay solid blue by default, and the gimbal display will show the module icon, AI. The gesture recognition function is enabled by default. Show an OK gesture to the camera to activate the tracking function. The indicator will then switch to solid green. If the subject is not successfully locked, the green light will blink. Show the OK gesture again to turn off tracking. Show a thumbs up gesture with both hands to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Show an open palm gesture to automatically take a photo or start recording. The indicator light will flash white 3 times, then perform the photo capture or video recording. Show a V gesture to enable the composition adjustment function. The indicator will flash cyan. This feature only works in tracking mode, and 2 V gestures are required to complete the setup. On the first V gesture, the AI module will pause tracking, so you can manually adjust the subject's position. By default, the subject is centered. Once the position is adjusted, show the V gesture again. The indicator will turn solid green, indicating that the composition is set and tracking will resume based on your new composition. In addition to tracking, you can also use the fill light function. Press and hold the gimbal's wheel button to activate the fill light mode. The fill light uses a single color temperature with brightness adjustable from 0 to 100. Press and hold the wheel button again to switch back to zoom mode.